Hey Giles, good to see you again, mate.
Very good to see you too, Lance. How you doing?
Good, good. I can't believe it's been 2 weeks. So we're doing it all again, apparently. So we're going to have a bit of a deep dive session coming this Thursday.
Yeah, so I think the main takeaway we learned was that you can't really get very far under the skin of modeling in an hour. So we've got another one.
Yeah, that's right. And I guess we're going to spend a bit of time seeing how really cool you are by looking at your spreadsheets, given that your signpost behind you talks about you being cool. So really looking forward to it. Well, what are you going to cover, Giles? What are we going to go through in that session?
Well, I think we're both keen to kind of showcase how we're at opposite sides of the world. We service different sorts of clients. So I wanted to just share with you and anybody that joins us the different cash flow tools we use. We've got a variety of tools, and depending on what situation we're faced with, we will turn to different ones, based on the complexity of what we're doing. So it'd
Yeah.
be good to just run that by you and see what you think in terms of similarities to the work you do, and probably just talk about some of the different approaches we've got.
Yeah, and I think that's the big thing that you and I, we're both professional modelers. We both, although we like to think we're models, so we're probably not, but professional modelers in terms of running our own business around financial modeling, and also most importantly, we actually come from two different standards perspective, right? You're very much a fast standards man, and I'm very much a best practice spreadsheet modeling standards, which is the BPM standards, and so. But the great thing is that they're actually very, very similar, and that we're gonna share both of these type of approaches, and people can really decide which ones they take. And in the end, we both sort of take a little bit of a sidestep when it comes to standards and apply things slightly differently. So we'll talk about that, because I think we both agree that in the end, standards are good and guidelines are good, but in the sometimes some of these things get a bit complex, and businesses don't always operate in the way that we always want them to. And then again, you have, short and near cash modeling, which, we don't have a full three-way, and we've got a one-way or a two-way, and transaction level, which I think you're going to go through. But yeah, looking forward to it. And it's going to be another great session.
Yeah, looking forward to it too. And yeah, I think us kind of just airing all of our different thoughts on modeling again, it's certainly kind of inspired me to kind of keep up to speed with what's going on in the modeling world.
Yeah, great. And hopefully you're not going to be airing your dirty laundry again, Giles. That was quite a
Okay.
joke you had last time.
Yeah, that's my best spreadsheet joke. I'll hold back on those from now on a little bit.
Right. Thanks, Giles. And we'll see you Thursday night. And of course, we'll share the
Yeah,
link with people that want to jump on as well.
Fab. Looking forward to it. See you then.
Thanks. Cheers.